This was actually one of my original welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tech with Nat, and today we're back with another video. Whoop whoop. If you are new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free, okay? Period. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I actually recorded 2 videos in the same clothes, in the same position, so if you're judging me right now, you in my business, don't do that. I'm gonna put a clip where that came from in case you're not on TikTok. Anyway, today is actually gonna be a fun video because today I'm gonna show you guys some of the inventory I have for my phone case business, as well as example inventory that I made myself, so you guys can get some ideas on what to include in your inventory for your phone case business. So make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this video. I wish I had like someone to like record videos so we can like do this. Anyway, let's get into this video. So most of the inventory I'm about to show you are my $5 cases on my website. So if you're interested in any of these phone cases, you can also purchase them from me and upsell it on your website, girl or bro. You know, I'm giving y'all next day shipping on these cases, period. Anyway, you know, mostly these are my on-hand cases. You know, mostly I only sell, you know, custom cases or cases designs that I actually created. Alright, you guys, so this is also gonna be like a phone case haul too, so let's get into this video. Alright, the first one I'm going to show is the one I have on right now. This was actually one of my original Taylor Tech Shop cases. Super duper cute. I did put my pop socket on here, but if you want to see how this actually looks without the pop socket, I'm gonna place the video that I showed this phone case in, so you guys can definitely go and check it out. Alright, so I'm gonna show the cases that I designed first, and then I'm gonna show like the regular cases, my $5 cases. So this is the next one that I created. You guys know that I sell all my cases in a box like this, but I can show you like what they really can't come in when I purchase them. So like this is how it looked. This is how it looks. They usually send it to me in this plastic. I already told you guys about branding and everything. If you have not checked out my other video about custom phone cases and branding, please do. I'm gonna leave it up here somewhere. But you know, I personally as a customer don't want to receive a phone case in this little baggie. It looks cheap and it makes me not, it's not worth it to me of the money that I charge it for and what they're actually paying. So branding and packaging is everything for me. So that's why I always put my cases in a cute box. Like look at this compared to this. Like you can see how much more upscale this looks, you know. Call me bougie, whatever you want, but you gotta treat your brand as your baby. You gotta treat it with pride and everything. So let me stop yapping because y'all don't like to watch my long videos, so let me stop yapping. The next one I created is actually this one, not PG-13, but it's so cute. It says get that bread, then leave. Here's it outside of the plastic, as you can see. Super cute, y'all. Not to toot my own horn, but my cases are bomb. Like, join my wholesale program, period. Black Lives Matter case, period. This one is super duper cute as well. So those are the 3 cases that I actually have designed, that I actually have on hand, that's designed and everything. So now we can get into my $5 cases, y'all. I forgot to show you guys my Island Gal case that I also made myself, if it will focus. Super duper cute. So that's another one that I do have. This Mood CEO case as well that I created, so you can shop that one as well. Well, you don't have to shop any of these, I'm just showing you my cases. So I also have, you know, this case as well that everyone loves, this Thug Life case. I have these available in 11 Pro X as well as another X. So I have those, and I do have my favorite case, which is Boys Tears. Super duper cute. I love this case so much. I also have these holographic cases. If it will focus, my nails are ferocious. Excuse me, y'all. If it will focus. I also have these holographic cases. These are actually Android cases, but they're super duper cute as well. I do have these available in iPhone too. I'm going to show you guys in a second. If you're enjoying this haul so far, or this inventory check, make sure you like or subscribe, sis or bro, and let me know other YouTube videos ideas I should do. Alright, back into this video. This is the iPhone 1 I was talking about, you guys. I think this is for an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, I think. But I have others, different sizes for that as well. Let me take out the plastic so you guys can see. It's super duper cute, and it also comes with a free pop socket you can put on just like that, and your phone looks cute. This kind of blue, black and pink. So look how cute they look. Oh my god. And these are definitely all $5, you guys. Super duper cute. So you can't beat that. The next one I have, you guys, is also my favorite. It is a geometric type shape in the color pink. Super duper cute. I'm gonna be honest, this is what I used to sell my phone cases, in these little baggies right here. But you know, we turned bougie over here, so we wanted to go for the upscale look with the boxes. But this is it. Super duper cute phone case. I love it. And I have these available in different sizes as well. Those are all on my website. Next we have this Melanin girl on here, which is pretty dope and cute. I believe this was a part of my Melanin collection, but I moved it to my $5 cases. She is definitely dope. This one is actually called Glitter Heart. Oh my god, look how cute it is, you guys. Oh my god, y'all could see yourself or just a camera? I'm just joking. This one is called Glitter Heart, and this one is available in the $5 case collection as well. I also have this Indian girl on here that says Shabazz. Super duper cute, and I thought this was pretty dope. You know, I do have a lot of Indian friends, so I just wanted to have something as well that represents them and for their culture as well. This one is super duper cute. I love it so much, as you can see. And this is all for my bosses out there, girl or boy, men or women. You know, we all about to be a boss. 2020, 2021 is our year, okay? And we gonna help each other, and we gonna get there together, okay? This is another one. It is a naked palette phone case. I literally only have one of these, you guys. It is in an X, and it's super duper cute. And this is in, I think this is in my $5 cases as well. So cute. Let me back it up somewhere. Let me take it out for you guys. So if you know someone you like that like makeup and have an iPhone X, you can have this on your website for them, or give it to them as a gift as well. And this plastic comes off, you guys. I'll show you. If I can show you, like, it comes off, so you don't have to worry about that. Let me tell y'all, when I first started my business, I invested like $1,000 into my business, buying on-hand inventory, you know, doing this and that, and I didn't really know about, you know, which models to buy at this time. So I didn't want to say I wasted money, because I sold most of it. But you know, Android cases, I don't know what am I doing wrong, but I cannot find a lot of Android people. But I have Android cases on my website for the low, okay? I talk about $5 and below, okay? Because I have so many Android cases that are not selling. So if you know someone who have Androids, let them know to go shop on my $5 cases collection. So let me show you what I have for Android right now. But This is a $5 Android case that I have. And don't worry you guys, my hands are clean and I always sanitize my cases before I send them out for the people that in my business. So this is a $5 Android case that I bought initially like a year ago when I started my phone case business. This you can definitely upsell. I'm trying to open it you guys because it's like a wallet case. So it opens like this. This you can definitely buy for $5 from me and upsell this for like honestly $20. Like I will pay $20 for a good sturdy case like this, and I can put my cards, my money, everything in this case. And let me show you the colors. I have a red one, a green one, as well as a blue one. So it's super duper cute. So if you know someone with an Android, let them know sis can get you hooked up. Okay, so I'm not gonna do like a lot of Android, but I know most people have iPhone, but I'm gonna show you guys this one too because it's pretty sturdy and cute as well. Look at that, super duper sturdy, and I love the color. You guys see my eye like through the hole. I love the color so much. This is $5 on my website as well, and you can upsell this for about $20 because that's how sturdy and good it looks. I know I just said I won't show much Android, but I also have these Android cases as well, which is super duper cute. Let me see, look at that shine, y'all. So you just buy these, put it in your own phone case box, and you can definitely upsell these for more than $5. I'm selling it for $5 because I need it at my house. I think that's it for my cases, you guys. So you can definitely go on my $5 case selection and grab something for your mom, your dad, your sis, or even for you. Like you don't have to, you know, if you want like next day shipping. I am located in the US, so it definitely will be fast shipping for you to start your own phone case business. You know, you don't have to rely on AliExpress shipping because I know how hard it can be. Also, this is not really a phone case, but this is actually also in my inventory. It is a notebook with a calculator on the top, if you can see right here. I usually use this for my financial goals, whether it's my business, whether it's me saving, and I like to write those goals without having my phone or any distractions. So this calculator definitely comes in hand, it being built into the notebook. And also if you're in school, you can use this in school as well. Well, I know we're all online now, but you can definitely have this cute little notebook to use in school as well. All right you guys, so that's it for my phone case haul / inventory check. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know any other YouTube video ideas you want me to do, as well as make sure you hit that subscribe button, boo, because right now we are on the road to 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much who subscribed to me thus far, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye you guys, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.